Hi everyone, my name is Paul Spencer and this is my introduction for the e-learning course. I am originally from Dublin, Ireland, as you can tell from my slightly different accent, no doubt. And I came over in 2012 to Orange County, California, and I've been living now in Orange, which is a nice little town in Orange County, for the past 5 or 6 years, I think. So it's been very pleasant. I go back to Dublin as often as I can. For work, I work at the University of California, Irvine on the undergraduate writing. A lot of the time this is preparing students to enter the composition program, and I lecture and I coordinate occasionally on that as well. I'm particularly interested in the online courses. We offer online courses during the summer, and I've done these the past few years, and it's something that really kind of excites and interests me, so I want to learn more about it. What is effective design of an online course during this course. Hobbies, let me see. I tend to spend about half my life in coffee shops with all the grading and prepping I do, so I'm going to mention that as a hobby. I'm a big fan of cats generally. I play music, as you can see. I have a banjo and a guitar, a ukulele, any kind of string instrument I like trying my hand at, and particularly sports as well. Really love sports. This is me finishing a triathlon, I think, and that's during the summers. During the winters, I'll most likely be seen on a snowy mountain, kind of sliding down that. Something interesting about me. Well, I can speak to varying degrees of proficiency. I can speak two other languages. One is Gaeilge, or Gaelic. Irish is the English name for it. And also I lived in Japan for about 3.5 years, so I was okay at Japanese. I think I've been getting steadily worse at both of them though, but I'm going to finish up by wishing everybody the best of luck on this course in these two languages. In Gaeilge it would be Ganairi on Boherliv, may the road rise to meet you. During the course it's an expression of luck. And in Japanese, or Nihongo, minasan ganbatte kudasai. And that's me. I look forward to working with you all over the next few weeks.